how's everybody doing today? And we are back again with another video for you guys and gals. And we're back again with another unboxing and first impressions. And this time I'm giving y'all my unboxing and first impressions of the EarFun fun-free, truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. So I picked these up on Amazon. They just came in today. Let's get into this live unboxing and first impressions. So there's absolutely no edits on this one. I might throw in a little bit in case I make too many mistakes, but y'all gonna see this all in real time, and I'm gonna try and get it out as fast as possible for y'all. So here we go. Let's dive into this unboxing and first impressions. So talking about the packaging first. Now I have to say, EarFun has done a great job with the packaging. You can see they got some company branding up top there, and then they got the model for the earbuds right there. So this is again the EarFun free truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds, and then we got some features on board here. So Bluetooth, as I already said, we got the Ipx7 sweat and water resistance and a 30-hour battery life. I'm thinking that means including the case, but we're gonna see. And then we got some stereo sound here, and it does look like they have won the CES 2020 Innovation Award. Okay, so good stuff there. Flipping it to the side of the box, you can see some devices that it's compatible with. So smartphones, whether it be Android, iOS, or Windows, tablets, whether that is Android, Windows, or iOS, or computers, whether it is Windows, Linux, iOS, or Android or Chrome OS, it should work. As long as it has Bluetooth compatibility, you should be good to go. Nice little yellow and white color scheme. I like that. I like that. Really good stuff. Then on the back, we just got some specifications here and a nice breakdown of everything that comes in the box. So we get the earbuds, we get the charging case, we get 3 different sizes of tips, we get USB Type-C and the user manual, and then the quick specs breakdown here. So we have superior sound with graphene drivers, so really good overall sound. And if the Bluetooth earbuds that I just picked up are any indication, those graphene drivers should sound really good. Sorry y'all know I can't talk sometimes. Then we got the Ipx7 waterproofing and sweat resistance. We got 6 hours of playtime with an additional 24 hours including the charging case. Okay, you can use these in single earbud mode, so independent mode with either the right or the left. 10 minutes of charge time should give you 2 hours of playtime. So they do support a version of quick charge, it looks like, and we have 1 button volume controls with wireless charging capabilities. Yes. Yes. I don't know why I'm so excited by that. If y'all can't tell, I like me some wireless charging, okay? So we got wireless charging capabilities on these with a nice, secure, and ergonomic fit. So good stuff there. And then a little bit more company information, barcode for inventory purposes, so on and so forth. So overall, really nice packaging. And then on this side, we have the company website, and we have the support website as well. And if you enjoy their products, you can follow them on Facebook by scanning that little barcode scanner right there. So good stuff there. Now, as I always do with my unboxing and first impressions, this did come via Amazon, and I did cut all the tapes and plastics off camera, so hopefully minimal struggles on this one. Let's go. So this is a sleeve. Yes, it is. So we should just be able to slide this out. Okay, put the sleeve off to the side. All right, and then here you can see we got a nice little window into the product. So let's see how you open this up here. Let's see this. Okay, so it opens up like that. All right, and then here, no, actually I think this comes off. That does come off. And then here we have the charging case with some company branding on it, and then we got the earbuds. And I gotta say, this is a really nice presentation. And then down below we got the accessories box. So let's take this stuff out now. All right, so that's the case, and then here are the buds. Uh-oh, wait a minute. wait a minute now. We got a clickable button on here. Oh, snap. What, no touch controls? Oh, they probably got a version of clicky buttons and touch controls. Yes, we got clicky buttons on here. I'm super excited by that. I don't know why I'm so excited by that. Okay, so took that out, and then we got the accessory box right here. All right, let me rest this down. And I'm pretty sure we got a user manual under this. Yes, we do. Right here. So, what's this? Okay. Check this out. Okay. Make a difference with donations. Okay. So, donating to the Help the Children Fund there. Then we have this right here. Better sound, better life. And what's this? Okay, this is just a thank you card. Like, dislike. Okay, I see that. So, got the company slogan in here. Then we flip it open. You like your experience? You know what to do. You dislike your experience? You know what to do. 30-day money-back guarantee. Okay. Then flipping it to the back. Got the company website right there. Alright. Rest that down. And then here we have the user manual. Buried deep in the box. Pretty good size user manual. Now I'm going to read this off camera. We might just page through it real quick, but I'll throw up all the important information you need to know in post, as I always do. Alright, nothing else in the box. Rest the box off to the side here. Okay, clear this stuff out of here. Gotta leave the accessories box real quick. Leave the user manual real quick. And now let's take a look at these accessories. Looks like it opens up from here. So inside the accessories box, we should have the charging cable, which should be USB Type-C. And we should have our earbud tips. Ooh, nice little display tray. I like that. So we got the larges and the smalls. So the mediums must be already on the buds. And that's it. Nothing else in the box. So we could throw this accessory box off to the side. And let me just unbag this real quick so y'all can see this. So let me pause real fast. And we're back. Sorry y'all. I'm trying to avoid struggles here. So y'all can see we got the earbud tips in a nice little tray. I'm really feeling the presentation on these. So good stuff there. Right? And then we have the charging cable, which seems to be of really good quality. So USB-A to USB Type-C. I like to see that. Now I got a bunch of these cables, so I could tell y'all I'm probably not going to use this. But really nice to see they got a nice high quality one in the box. Okay, so let's rest this off to the side now. And as I always mention, you definitely need to take the time to test out all the bud tips so you can find the best fit, because that helps with comfort and sound isolation and noise canceling. So you definitely want to take the time to experiment with all the tips and find the best fit. But let's rest this off to the side. We're going to do that off camera. Okay. And now let's take a closer look at the case and at the buds. Then we'll walk through the user manual and we'll wrap this video up. So let's start off with the case first. So really nice case, company branding on the top. We got our LED lights on the front. Let's see if it has any charge. Okay, we got full charge. Thank you, EarFun. So no need to charge anything up. We just drop the earbuds in, let them charge, and then we can start using it. So thank you so much. Okay, around the back, we got USB Type-C, and this does support wireless charging. I'm tripping. And then we do have some information right down here, but it's kind of hard to see because it's reflective. So we got all of our case information right there. Here, if I tilt it this way, you can read it. Kind of. I'll throw a picture of it up in post. But all of our case information and charging information is right there. Okay. So pretty good charging case. Now let's take a look at the buds real fast. Okay. Really nice buds here. Got your labels. So this is the left earbud. Then we got our charging pogo pins there. And check out really nice feeling tips. Okay. Flipping it to the front. We just got the button here. And it just has a label on it. So it just says EarFun. So that's pretty cool. Alright, let me drop these in. I'm going to let y'all know how they feel in real time. So this is the left. I think it goes like this. Okay, yep. So when you're putting it in, you want to line it up in this orientation. So you see where the R is? Turn it like that and you put in your ears like this. So this is the right. Again, we got our nice label, our charging pins, and our earbud tip. And then we got company branding on the front right there. So good stuff there. Let me drop this in too and give y'all my first impressions of the overall fit and feel. So, okay, it goes right in. Do a quick shake test. Okay, it's not popping out. Ooh, gave myself a headache. It's definitely not popping out. So nice secure fit as advertised. Okay, and it actually feels really good. Now, I can't really hear myself talk. And I do have my clip-on microphone today, so I hope I'm not talking too loud into the microphone. But really nice fit, really good overall feel. Let me take a picture real quick so I can show y'all. Got that Google Pixel XL today on deck.
This came back from a search.
Yo, chill. I wasn't talking to you. See, this is why I gotta be careful what I say when I say stuff. Alright, let me take this picture real quick. All my phones start talking back to me. My phones are mean. Do a little side profile for y'all. Alright, yeah. Alright. Boom. And let's let that process. Boom. Alright, so this is what the earbuds look like in my ears. And that actually looks pretty good. Let me take a front shot real quick. Let me see if you could tell. So just dead on. Boom. And let's let this process. Okay, yeah, so from the front, you can't really tell I got earbuds in. So really nice, low profile. Really good stuff there. I like that. Really nice fit, really nice feel. Very discreet, good stuff. Alright, so first impressions, I like these, man. I like these. I think I'm going to get a lot of usage out of these. And for the price that I picked them up for, I have to say I'm very pleasantly surprised. These bad boys ran me 50 bucks, okay? So $49.99, 50 bucks. Let's just make it easy. You don't want to make anybody's brain hurt around here. Not bad. In terms of the fit and feel, not bad. In terms of first impressions. Now let's briefly page through this user manual real fast and then we'll wrap the video up and get up out of here. So really nice user manual here. Got your company branding. Again, letting you know what the earbuds are. So these are the Fun Frees. Nice little picture of the buds. Flipping it open. Everything that comes in the box in a couple different languages. Okay. So again, everything that comes in the box. Alright, good stuff there. And this first section is English. Okay, so it does support wireless charging, letting you know some of the functionality here. Okay, good stuff. And we got some deep specifications here. So Bluetooth 5.0. It supports charging at 5 volts at 1 amps. So standard charging speeds here. And we got all of our codecs there. Alright, and that range is quoted with no obstacles. Okay, so 15 meters. So good stuff. A little bit higher than the standard. Not bad at all. Okay, hour and a half charge time. That could also mean an hour and 50-minute charge time. So I'm going to put that to the test. The buds have a 50 milliamp hour battery on board. And the charging case has a 500 milliamp hour battery, USB Type-C, and again, they're telling you that it should take the buds about 2 hours and the case about 3.5 hours to reach a full charge. And the case should charge your buds about 4 times. And you got the weight for the product, 60 grams. So thank you, EarFun, for the full breakdown. So they took all the guesswork out of it here. Okay, and then now they're just talking to you about the fit. Okay, flipping the page. Okay, pairing your device. We're going to go through these steps, but I know some of y'all like to see this. Feel free to pause and read. Okay, good stuff there. All right, and again, talking about the button controls and the pairing process. So powering them on, powering them off, playing the music, pausing the music, next track, reverse track, all that good stuff. Okay. All right, what's this? LED light indicators. This is important. Right there, pause and check that out. Resetting and repairing. Okay, then commonly asked questions for troubleshooting and a barcode for the customer service. All right, and follow them on Facebook again. So customer service information, got 18-month limited warranty, and we got the website link there, the customer service website there, good stuff. And then we got a different language. Sorry for the bumpy cam. So we go into the next language, which JP, Japanese. Y'all get the idea. All right, so there's a brief rundown through the user manual and first impressions overall. EarFun seems like they put together an extremely solid product here, and to be honest with y'all, can't wait to start using it. I think these are going to be really good. All right, so that pretty much does it for this unboxing and first impressions of the EarFun fun-free Bluetooth earbuds. Now, my full review for these should be out in about 2 weeks from the posting of this video. So y'all be on the lookout for my fit and sound demo, and then everything will culminate in my full review. So y'all be on the lookout for all of that extended coverage. Recording this video here today, I did use the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active. This was recorded in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second in auto mode. So no pro mode this time. Straight auto mode this time. So y'all let me know what you think of the overall video quality. And I did use my lapel clip-on microphone to record the audio. So please let me know what you think of the overall audio quality as well. As always, if this video piqued your interest, all the links to where y'all can pick this bad boy up at some really great prices will be linked up down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. All right, I hope everyone has a great day. Y'all be safe out there, and I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. Peace, everybody. We are out of here.